Okay, in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed, in-depth look at the back end of my channel. All the analytics and everything on views, watch hours, and subscribers. The lifetime of my channel down to the last 7 days, minus a couple, because it's usually running a couple days behind. The video may be a little long and boring, and it's really designed for someone who is, just created a channel, got no subscribers, got nothing, and trying to move forward from there. So stick around, don't leave us. There's going to be some interesting statistics. Okay, the sole purpose of this video is to encourage. The 4 months since I've been actively developing this channel, the 5 things that I went through, another video, which I believe I will link to this one. All the great things in the world don't mean anything if no one clicks on your thumbnail. So again, hopefully this right here will help in some way to encourage you to not give up and to keep on going, to keep trying new things, and eventually something will work. Okay, so here you can see the life of the channel over 12 years is 83,000 views. Looking towards the end of 2024 into 2025, you can see an uptake. Several spikes there were, the first one was due to some shorts that were uploaded as long form content there. And you can see they were 3D print uploads. Then the next spike you see is where I actually got them uploaded again as shorts. And then the third spike you see is where I did it again and duplicated it somehow. Now watch hours, you can see that there's really not even more than 3 hours throughout the course of the years. Now you see where the shorts were uploaded, there's a spike. But looking towards the end of the year in 2024, you can see a sharp uptake with a couple of spikes in there that were videos that actually did well. Now on subscribers, you can see the same thing. Now those on the bottom, that's where I lost subscribers, about 30 over 12 plus years, which, trust me, every single one of those hurt, especially the ones at the end of 2024, right around Christmas time. So my Christmas wasn't so great. You can see 83,000 views with 197 subscribers through the life. Now if we go back to 365 days, or for the past year, 31,000 views. There's the spike with the shorts, again with the next phase of the shorts, and then you see all this activity towards the end of the year and an uptake, a sharp uptake at the end of the year. Then with watch time, you see the same thing. You see a spike in watch time where the shorts was, and the next spike down you see is again where the second time I got the shorts uploaded. And then there's another spike in there, and that's with a video that actually kind of went viral for me. Now for subscribers, again you see a little bit of activity back in the beginning of 2024 when those shorts were uploaded. You see a couple subscribers that I lost through 2024, 5 to be exact. And then there's the activity towards the end of the year where it made a lot of difference when I started to kind of implement some of these that I've got. Going back to 90 days, now you can see a little more detail, and this is more in the activity of the October to the end of last year in 2024. You can see there's almost 16,000 views over that period of time, and this is the ups and downs. And then of course that's where that viral video hit
in December, and you can see some of the videos here. It was a thermal imaging video that kind of pushed it out there, and you see a sharp uptake again going at the end of December into the 1st of January. And then here's the watch time hours, 804 over the last 90 days. Again, a spike where the thermal imaging video came in. Now the growth is about even. So the subscribers, you can see here's the three and around the dates that I lost the 3 subscribers. 72 over the 90-day period, and you can see a sweep up during the viral video and towards the end of the year into the 1st of January. You see some of the videos that actually built some of these subscribers through this 90-day period. Almost 16,000 views, and at 28 days, 6,200 views. You can see a little more detail over the last month or so. Here's the viral video, 604 views during that single day, almost 1,100, and then the video just died. And then you see the sharp uptake again, kind of coming into more activity. Watch hours, you can see same spike during that one video. An average of about, I would say, 9 watch hours per day is where I'm at. Kind of building up higher now towards the 1st of the year. Let's see if it maintains. Then 25 subscribers over the last 28 days. Right there in December, that's right around Christmas where I lost 2 subscribers. A little depressing, a lot depressing. There's the viral video again. And then you see the jump, 4 subscribers in one day right here in January. You can see I'm currently at 197 subscribers, and right now at, let's see, 7 days, okay, 2,000 views over the last 7 days. You can see the sweep up as everything seems to be ramping up. So these 5 things are really making a difference on the channel, in my opinion. You can see 797 or 94 views in the last 48 hours. So a little lower than what I was getting there on the 10th. Today's the 12th, I believe. And that right there is current numbers. And so watch time, 71, almost 72 hours accumulated over the last 7 days. You can see again that towards the end into current right now, it's ramping up a little higher. And then here we've got 8 subscribers over the last 7 days. A couple days, no subscribers, and then 1, then that was during the 2 during that video right there, then none that day, and then we jump up to the 4 subscribers there. And you never know when a video is going to inspire someone to subscribe. So kind of taking a look in 2024, you really still see the same thing. Almost 29,000 views. You see the spikes, the upturn towards the end of the year, especially in watch time hours, really increasing. And of course, subscribers, you can see all the activity of gaining subscribers towards the end of the year. Then looking at this year so far, 2,500 views, 98.1 watch hours, and 10 subscribers, and we're 12 days into 2025. So it's looking pretty good so far, and if this rate continues, we're looking to do pretty good for 2025, and hopefully this will maintain. The views per last 48 hours continue to increase on a good incline, as well as the number of subscribers increasing. But very few people subscribe to my channel versus the number of watch hours that I'm getting.
Okay, so there you have it. The entire channel laid bare. You've seen all the statistics. You've seen the back end of it, and what's there, and the growth in life of the channel. So I truly hope that in some way this will inspire you to not give up and to keep on. I truly believe that the 5 things to grow a tiny channel will help you. It's not going to help somebody established, I don't believe. It's not going to help anybody that's on their way. But someone that's ready to give up, this is what this video is for. And I truly hope that it helps you. The only thing that I would ask is that if you get something out of this video, especially if you've made it this far, that you would like and subscribe. I thank you very much for your time. It's very important to me. Hope to see you again. Thanks, and God bless.